Stream or cut music on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, like I said, I want to show you how you can trim your choose song on your TikTok video. So first of all, we have to click on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen. And then after here, you just have to go to your uploads and choose your video, or you can just make one video right now by recording it. So I'll go to my uploads and then I'll go with this song right here, click next. After that, you have to click to sounds, and this option is at the left bottom corner next to effects, text and stickers. The first option is sounds. Then you can choose your song. So I will go with this one. My sound is off because I do not want to get copyrighted. And now you have to click on this scissors icon, scissor option to trim your song. After that, you just have to move this like this. So this song, it's really short, as you can see. If I leave it like this, it begins from start, and then if I swipe it, it begins from the 6th second. And once you are happy with it, you just have to click on the check mark. Then you can take out the original sound. The button is at the left bottom corner. And then you can click to volume, and you can make the added sound much more louder. And once you're happy with it, click on the done icon, then click next. And after that, you just have to share your video with your friends. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.